Even though solar is one of the most popular renewable energies, people are still a little bit hesitant when it comes to relying on it. Due to the high cost and price of installation, people still think twice before buying solar panels for their home. Whereas this investment represents significant savings on electricity. A solar savings study was conducted in Southern California using a 1,500 square foot, two-bedroom house with a monthly utility cost of $152 for a little over 9,000 kilowatts per hour. It was predicted that if the house leased the solar panels, it could save almost $6,000 over 20 years. But if the solar panels were bought outright, the household could save a little over $22,000 over those 20 years. Even if the solar panels were loaned, the household could still save over $18,000 in 20 years. In 2019, solar energy companies charged about 30% of the total cost for the installation. In 2020, that number is expected to be around 26%. By 2021, it will be as low as 22%. Solar panels for domestic use, which are most likely to be installed in the roof of a home, range in price from a little over $9,000 to a little over $24,000, depending on the capacity, which could be anywhere from 3 to 8 kilowatts. After doing a bit of math, we can determine that the average is around $2.80 to $3.30 per watt. In terms of production, solar energy has received 10 times the amount of subsidies as other forms of energy. Subsidies for solar directly affect the production of electricity, which in turn affects the cost and pricing. Between 2010 and 2016, subsidies for energy ranged from 10 to 88 cents per kilowatt hour, while subsidies for coal, natural gas, and nuclear were about 1/20th to 1/5 cent. Most of the cost of solar panels comes from the manufacturing process rather than the materials. Considering the main material in solar panels, sand, is quite literally dirt cheap, all of that cost has to come from somewhere, right? Where the process of converting sand into usable high-quality silicon takes a considerable amount of energy. On top of that, it takes lots of time and manpower to construct the dozen or so solar panels it takes to power a home.